Welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is regarding two very useful Microsoft Excel functions. These are CELING.MATH and FLOOR.MATH. First of all, let's look into the description of the CELING.MATH function. In this cell, let me press equal to, then type CEI. This is the function, and here you can see the description. The CELING.MATH function rounds a number up to the nearest integer or to the nearest multiple of significance. It means if you have to round up a decimal value to the nearest integer or whole number, or if you have to round up a number to the multiple of a specific number, then you can use CELING.MATH. Let me use this function here in this data. Here I have product name, order quantity. I need to convert this order quantity in a multiple of 12 unit. In that case, I can use CELING.MATH function. So in this cell, press equal to, type CELING.MATH, double click on the function to choose. In the number, click on this order quantity, put a comma, and in the significance, put 12. The third parameter is optional, which you can skip here. Close bracket and hit enter. The same result is given here because this number is already in multiple of 12 unit. If you drag this formula down, here you see the numbers are rounded up to the multiple of 12 units. If you have a decimal value, for example 5.12, if you want to convert this decimal value to the whole number by rounding up, then you can use here the CELING.MATH function. In the number, click on this decimal value, close bracket, then hit enter, and here you see this number is rounded up to the whole number. Let's see another function, that is FLOOR.MATH. This FLOOR.MATH function is used for rounding down the number. In this cell, let me press equal to, then type FLOOR, and here you see the description. The FLOOR.MATH function rounds a number down to the nearest integer or to the nearest multiple of significance. So CELING.MATH function is for rounding up and FLOOR.MATH function is for rounding down. Here in this data, I have the product names and their planned selling price per unit. The requirement here is to make these selling price per units in a multiple of 5 by rounding down. In that case, you can use here the FLOOR.MATH. Press equal to, then type FLOOR.MATH, open bracket. In the number, click on this selling price per unit, put a comma. In the significance, put 5. Close bracket and press enter. Here you see this number is now rounded down to the multiple of 5 unit. Use the fill handle to drag the formula down. Similarly, if you have the decimal value here 7.67 and you want to convert this number to the whole number by rounding down, then you can use here FLOOR.MATH. Click on the number, then close bracket, press enter, and here you see this number is rounded down to the whole number. So that was all about CELING.MATH function and FLOOR.MATH function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in next tutorial.